Ever wish you could export your Apple Music or iPhone playlists as MP3 South and play them anywhere offline on any device? Let me show you how to break free from streaming restrictions using ViWizard. Whether you want to convert Apple Music into MP3 South or record streaming audio from Spotify, Amazon Music, Tidal, and more, ViWizard makes it incredibly easy. And right now, there's a hot summer sale, minus 30% off all software. Links are in the description and pinned comment. Let's start with the ViWizard. Apple Music Converter. Apple's DRM limits how and where you can use your music even if you bought it. But this tool removes all restrictions and gives you full ownership. You can convert Apple Music, iTunes songs, audiobooks, and even Audible content into real, playable files, MP3, WAV, FLAC, M4A, and more. It works on Windows 7 to 11 and Mac OS 32 or 64-bit. Here is how you can use it. Step 1. Download the app from the link in the description and launch the app. After that, log into Apple Music with your Apple ID. This opens Apple Music's web player. Inside ViWizard. Step 2. Click the menu icon in the top right corner. Go to Preferences and select your output format like MP3, AAC, etc. You can also adjust the file name and save location. Step 3. Browse your Apple Music or iTunes library and select the songs, albums, or playlists you want to convert. Click the plus button to add them to the conversion list. Step 4. Click Convert. And ViWizard downloads and converts tracks at up to 15 speed while preserving quality. Step 5. Once finished, locate your MP3s via the History or Open Folder button. This tool is fast, reliable, and doesn't sacrifice sound quality. Whether you want your tracks on a smart speaker, MP3 player, Android phone, or even in your car, it works. Next, we have the ViWizard Streaming Audio Recorder, powerful all-in-one recorder for every major platform. It supports multiple platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon Music, Tidal, Deezer, Pandora, Qobuz, SoundCloud, Line Music, and, yes, even podcasts and audiobooks. Instead of relying on complicated tools that only work on one service, ViWizard lets you record everything from one place. You can batch download playlists, albums, and long-form content fast and efficiently. No switching apps. No limitations. Here's how to use the ViWizard Streaming Audio Recorder. Step 1. Open ViWizard. Streaming Audio Recorder. Step 2. Set your output preferences, MP3, FLAC, WAV, or AIFF. Step 3. Choose Apple Music or another service. Log in through the built-in player to access your full library. Step 4. Pick the songs or podcasts you want. Then click the plus button to queue them. Step 5. Hit Convert. You'll get clean, organized, high-fidelity files with lyrics, tags, and album art preserved. You can even save .lrc lyric files and manage your music collection with ViWizard's tidy library options. And best of all, the sound is lossless. You get full 320 kbps MP3 South or high-res. FLAC no quality downgrade. Whether you're an Apple Music user looking to finally download your favorites, or someone who juggles Spotify, SoundCloud, and Amazon playlists, ViWizard has you covered. Stop renting your music, own it. ViWizard gives you control, freedom, and clean, safe downloads. Once you try it, there's no going back. Click the link in the description or the pinned comment to download ViWizard with 30% off during their hot summer sale. Record it, convert it, keep it forever. That's how music should be. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Peace out.